Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Some subscribers asked me about what are the best stocks for investment in long time. So I have a plan to make some videos about long time investment stocks. Today I am recommending the stock is BEML Limited. It's called Bharat Earth Movers Limited. Before we get any buy calls or investment calls, we should know about the company. So in this video, I am just going to explain about the company. We are going to buy this BEML company for long term investment. So just check the company details. It's a Bharat Earth Movers Limited. In short form, it's called BEML. It's a public sector firm, and products they are producing earth moving equipments, heavy equipments, railway equipments, high power diesel engines, heavy duty hydraulic aggregates. These are the things these companies are producing. Okay, so next we are going to check the company performance. In BS India, just type BEML. Scroll down to bottom, there you can see result. Bottom, so you can see more, just click it. So quarterly result, profit, June 17 only it's making loss, all other time it's profit only. And let's see annual trend. So annual trend is positive and it's increased. Every year it's increased compared to previous year. Every year it's increased. So I think this stock is good for investment in long time because it's a public sector firm. That's the first thing. And another thing is this is a public sector firm. That's one thing. And every year the profit is increasing. So let's see the chart. BEMI. Now it's 2 years down. See, last October its price is 1915 around. From there it falls down. Now once you check the chart, now it's double bottom. So if you buy this stock at this level, it's not for positional trading and intraday trading, it's for long time. Another 2 to 3 years it will be definitely reach to this level, 1900 level at least. So for long time investors, you can buy these stocks at current market price and hold it for long time. It will definitely goes up to these levels because the company is running profit and every year the profit is increasing, and it's a public sector firm and it's producing railway equipment and heavy power, high power and diesel engines, railway equipments. I hope that these stocks will definitely rocks on future. So my recommendation is buy these stocks at current market price and hold it for 2 to 3 years. It will be definitely cost up to 1900 range. Hope you like this video. I will be back with another long time investment stocks. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.